Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. In this video we will learn unit conversion, and there is a special technique and tip to memorize and to understand, that is salad technique. Salad technique is used for unit conversion. We want to convert smaller to larger unit and larger to smaller units. S stands for smaller unit, L stands for larger unit, D for division. So this word salad will be memorized, and it will help us to understand smaller to larger unit will be divided by unit, and vice versa. Larger value converted into smaller value will be multiplied by units. So now we will take some equivalent units for understanding and building our concept. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. I have chosen some just 4 units that is very easy for us to learn by heart and to understand, because my concern is to teach you the concept and build up the concept of unit conversion. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. All these units and other units must be memorized and learned by heart. Now we have to face a problem, because which unit is smaller and which unit is larger. For understanding this problem, put 1 with both units, kilogram and gram, liter and milliliter, kilometer and meter, meter and centimeter. So put 1 with both units. For example, 1 kg and 1 gram. So 1 kg and 1 gram, which unit is smaller and which unit is larger? Now it's very easy for us to find out, because 1 gram is smaller than 1 kilogram. So like this, 1 liter and 1 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is smaller than 1 liter, and 1 liter is larger than 1 milliliter. So 1 kilometer is larger than 1 meter, and 1 meter is smaller than 1 kilometer. So put 1 with both 1 centimeter and 1 meter. So definitely 1 centimeter is less than 1 meter. Again, this is very important. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. After memorization this, we will start our technique. Smaller to larger division. Salad. S stands for smaller, L stands for larger, D stands for division. So when we want to convert smaller value into larger value, then we will divide it by unit. If we want to convert larger value into smaller value, then we will multiply by unit. So take an example. 900 gram is equal to dash kilogram. Now we want to find how many kilograms is equal to 900 grams. 900 gram multiply by 1 kg over 1000 gram. Here gram and put here gram, and 1 kg, this value, this unit will represent which value we want to convert. 900 gram is equal to kilograms. So 900 multiplied by 1/1000 grams. In simple way, you can memorize 900 gram divided by unit. For example, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we want to convert here 900 gram into kilograms. So 900 gram divided by 1000 grams. You can use calculator. So 900 gram is divided by 1000 grams will be 0.9 kilogram. So 900 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Here we have divided it. Take another example to build up our concept. 300 centimeter is equal to dash meter. So solve it. 300 centimeter is smaller than meter. So we will divide it by unit. 300 divided by 100. Look at here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 300 divided by 1 meter over 100 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter will be cancelled. 0 will be cancelled, and we have the value of meter. 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meter. This is very easy. Now remember just one thing: when smaller value will be converted into larger value, then we will divide it by unit. We will divide it by unit. This is our technique. For remembering this thing and memorizing this thing, solid word will be helpful for us. S smaller to larger, and it will be divided. If vice versa, larger converted into smaller value, then we will multiply it. Thank you for watching this video.